Okay, so this is the this is gonna be my last trading day of 2021. Before we hop in on the charts, we're just gonna check if we have any high impact news coming out that would affect our trading session. Looking at yeah, we don't have much high impact news that's gonna come out tonight, except for unemployment claims, which is low impact news. Um, I don't think that's a huge worry to us, so we'll see how that plays out. As for GBP we have we don't have any high impact news coming out tonight, so there's, there's gonna be a good session. Okay. Okay, we're gonna be breaking down our monthly our GJ chart. Okay, looks like pound yen is definitely closing bullish for this month. Um, we have moved quite significantly. We had like almost a 500 pip bullish run this month. So looking at the weekly time frame, we're currently bullish on the weekly time frame. Really breaking above this candle wicks to the right over here, to the left over here. Most likely approaching 156 level, 156 area support level in the weekly time frame. We'll see if that plays out. We have one day left until the week closes, so we'll see how that plays out. Looking at the daily time frame, we're first approaching this 15600 area right over here. Um, Not sure if we're going to be doing a retracement to retest 154 500 on the daily time frame. Um, but if we're going to be bullish, I mean, if you're going to head down, we're most probably going to be retesting this level at this point. So, but yeah, if you're going to come bearish, this is going to be our target. If we come bearish, that would be 154 500. 154 500. But looking at the forward time frame, looks like we're stuck in some sort of range. At this point, we have a support level up at 155 350. Sorry, resistance area over here on the forward time frame, and we also have some support area down over here at 154 969 965 area right over here. So we'll just drop down to the 1 hour time frame and see if we have any yeah, looking at the 1 hour time frame, this previous one we cannot close above the 155 200. Right over here, this is a rejection area. Not too confident taking any trades in this range. Looking at the 50-minute time frame, we're starting to push up at this point. Yeah. So let's see. I think better buys would be about 155 350. Yeah, better buys would be about 155 350. Most yeah, I think better buys would be above this level over here. That's what we're gonna be waiting on. We have support over here. I don't think this range is a good range to be taking any trades in. Oops. Looking at the 15-minute time frame, we have some sort of support level over here. Yeah, I don't think this is a. This would be your no trade range. No trade range. Trade range. Wait for support to form. Take buys to retest highs. Okay, this is our no trade range. This will also be our no trade range. Trade range. Small range. Better buys above, potential buys above 155, 350. 155, 350. Great. Perfect. Results. Since we are in a high volume session, we are in pre-NY session right now, so I'm just gonna be waiting. I'm just gonna wait. I'm not taking any trades in this between this support level over here and this resistance area right over here. I'm not gonna be taking any trades. Although, because we're in a high volume session, I might be looking at taking sales below 155, 155, 130 right over here. Expecting candle to come down to this support level over here. Otherwise, my bias is heavily bullish at the moment. I'll most probably wait for some 30-minute plays if we can have any right now. Ideally, not ideally, but if we can have some sort of 30-minute candle coming down over here and then a formation of a like some sort of a bullish candle over here indicating some sort of bullish momentum, then I'll probably enter, expecting price to come out to retest the highs at this point. I thought that's one scenario. My next scenario is if this candle starts closing above this area over here, 155, 350, and then I look to taking buys going up towards 156 level area, 156 area. That's gonna be my ultimate target for this month. Yeah, that's on pound yen. So we're gonna jump down to gold to see if we have any potential move on gold. Let's just see how the monthly time frame is. Okay, so the monthly time frame is currently bullish right now, although we've kind of rejected. Let me see. So the monthly time frame is currently bullish, although we've kind of rejected this resistance level over here around 1810 area, 1820 area right over here. Really rejected this level. Not sure if we're going to push up over here or not, or we're going to be closing back between this range between 1820 area and 1750 to 1760 area right over here. Not sure if we're going to be closing below over here. So we'll see how that plays out. But we are highly likely to be closing bullish on the monthly time frame. Looking at the weekly time frame, we're currently bearish right now. Not sure if this is the start of a bullish push to retest the highs over here at 1870 right up over here. So on the weekly time frame, this should be our ultimate target. That's based on the weekly time frame, but we have 3 days until the week ends, so we'll see how that plays out. Not too confident on taking sales on the weekly time frame, but based on the daily time frame, we can see that this daily candle uh, really made a previous daily candle made a very nice liquidity grab below, closing back above 1800. So we are most likely starting to push. Current daily candle rejected his 1800 level over here, starting to push bullish right now. Looking at the 4 time frame, previous to 4 time frame was extremely bullish. So I think based on the higher time frames, so it's safe to say our bias for today's session is going to be bullish. Bulls for today's session, we are most likely come up to this previous resistance area at 1804.50. So we're just gonna zone it out on the 4 time frame. We have some sort of support level down over here, which we're gonna be taking into consideration when we drop down to the lower time frames for entries. So based on the 1 hour time frame, we can clearly see that we have support level at 1798, and we are currently trading above the 1800s area. 1797, 1798. So let's see how this plays out. So the previous 1 hour candle closed above this resistance over here. At 1802. If we continue to stay above 1800, 1802 area, I think purely based on the 1 hour time frame, what I'm expecting to see on the 1 hour time frame, because of how this previous 1 hour candle closed, is this 1 hour candle to start pushing up. Oops, let's see. Start pushing up like this. Maybe do a liquidity grab coming down over here. We test this 1802 level and then start pushing up. So based on the 1 hour time frame, if we start breaking the highs at this point, I'll be looking to take trades if we break the previous 1 hour candle high at this point. But that's just on the based on the 1 hour time frame. Dropping down to the 30-minute time frame, you can see that we are currently heading bearish at the moment. But based on the 30-minute time frame, if we start pushing below, creating some sort of support level in the next within this hour, I'll probably look to taking a trade to retest highs. Otherwise, based on the 30-minute time frame, we can see that we also have resistance at 1803.50. 1803.50. So this is a 200 pip move. So we have resistance over here. So 1803.50. So 1803.50, and we have resistance over here. So not too sure on how this candles are gonna go as yet, but yeah, we'll see how we go. Yeah. Yeah, I think we're gonna stick to the 1 hour time frame. How big is this range? be sticking to the 1 hour time frame at this point. How much do you want to lose here? Come on, magic keys, don't let me down. Great. Magic key is alive. 1803. When it comes up to 1803, then not 1803. 18. 274. Shit. This whole time my mic was off. The hell? Okay, let's see how much we made for today. Um, so today we made a little bit over $1,000 right over here. Okay, we're gonna be breaking that down. Basically took two trades. One trade was on gold. One trade was on gold. One trade was on JPY. This first trade on gold was 5 lot. We have a small position running. Um, 0.5, I think. Yeah, 5% running. And then we have another position on JPY. This was a 20 lot. I have like 0. Close majority of my position got 0.225, 0.5% running at this point also. So um, we'll see how and why these trades are taken. Okay, first trade on gold was taken simply on the 1 hour time frame. Uh, so basically, let's see where this trade was taken. Okay, this trade was taken right over here. Okay, basically, I'm just gonna explain how this trade was taken. Basically, we had some sort of resistance over here at 1802. We had this 1 hour candle close above resistance, and I saw that the next resistance the price would come up to was over here. So as soon as this candle came down and started flipping, I entered right over here, somewhere around over here. Um, at where is it? Where did I enter? 1802.90. Yeah, somewhere over here. Came up, secure positions at around 10 pips, and then let the rest run. So that's where we're at. It's really, that was my first trade. Okay, second trade was taken on GBJPY. Okay, let's see where this trade was taken. Okay, I still have some partial positions running. Okay, so this trade was taken at 155.365. So what happened was we had resistance over here, right over here, at 155.365 right over here. This trade was taken. Oops, let me just switch to the 30-minute time frame. This trade was taken on a 30-minute time frame. So let's see. Okay, let's see. Okay, so we had this candle close slightly above resistance over here, slightly above where these two candles closed. So as soon as this happened and this candle started pushing up, I entered right over here as soon as we were breaking up. The reason being how I was gonna accidentally I was supposed to enter a 10 lot, but accidentally entered a 20 lot trade over here. So basically closed partial positions as soon as I came up to like 2 pips or so. Um, so how I was gonna manage risk was I had my stops below this previous candle over here, and expecting price to move up at this point. So basically, as price started moving up, I secure positions right over here at like 10 pips, and then let the rest run. So that's how I ended up with $622 on GBGPY and $467 on gold. So pretty much a good day. I think I'm gonna close out my gold trade now. So let's see how that plays out. So my GBGPY trade. Yeah. calling it a day at this point. Good day. I'll catch you guys next year.